Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change checkbox border color in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file. Now change this checkbox border color. Select this tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this prepare from option. Select. Now click on this selection icon and drag your mouse. Select your checkbox and click right button for your mouse for properties and click. Now click on this border color option and choose this straight border color. Also you can change line style, solid. Now simply select close and preview and see this border color already changed. Again I will change this checkbox border color. Properties. You can add custom border color, select other color. Okay, and see this. Border color already says this. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.